Morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do several videos today for you guys on our 2018 991.2 Turbo that ends tomorrow on Bring a Trailer. Just a gorgeous car, 8,000 miles, excellent condition. And yeah, let's start with a cold start. We've got 41 or 42 degrees this morning in Portland. 8,298 miles on the car. Little high idle. We'll see some steam come out of the car with the temperature, but it does not smoke. Does not emit any odors. It does not leak any fluids. As you see that steam dissipate. I'm also going to give you guys some exterior photos outdoors so you can see the way this GT Silver shines. It's a fantastic color and not one we see as often as some of the others, so special in that regard. All right, guys, see you in a few.